Hi there, I'm Melody Mooney, and today I'm sharing with you some tips on how to fold your laundry. Okay, we're going to tackle one of the hardest things to fold, a fitted sheet, but I promise we could do it together. So I'm going to give you a few tips and pointers on how to get this thing folded so it's nice and flat and easy to store. Let's get started. First, you want to go ahead and get your sheet and spread it out on a big area. So I recommend doing it, well, right here on the floor. Sides. It's kind of hard to look at them as sides right now because, well, they're round. But what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to make this into more of a square. So here's what you do. You take your one end and you're going to tuck it in to this other end inside the elastic corner. Same thing with the bottom. You're going to take this and tuck it in to the corner end of the elastic. So see what we got going now? It looks more like a square, doesn't it? What you want to do next is just kind of flatten it out a bit. Get it flattened out. So then we're going to try to get this into the square. Now bring the bottom up to the top like this. What you want to do, this kind of poofy area, is really try to flatten this out. I'm going to try to get this as flat as possible. Here we go. Okay. Next, you're going to make another fold right in the center. Fold that up again, flattening out your area because you still have that elastic in there. And now it's kind of getting to the end. So just flatten it out as much as you can. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Looks like a rectangle at least. Now, next one is over to the left one more time. You're going to flatten that. Again, just try to get it as tight in there as possible. Depending on how your linen closet is, you could go one more time really tight like that. See how I made it into a square? But mine is kind of flat and big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it flattened like this, ready for my top sheets and everything else I fold in the linens to be on top of it. We did it! There you have it! A folded fitted sheet.